Yuck. This is all drugstore makeup. This is all affordable makeup, and affordable makeup can also make you look so chic. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad that you are here. I am never getting tired of saying this line, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm so excited like each and every video I make just to say this line, welcome back to my YouTube channel, because I never thought I'd say this. So here I am. So I got a bunch of stuff from Nykaa, like affordable makeup and also high-end makeup, but this video is only for affordable makeup, and this look that I've created is using all affordable makeup, and this is so chic. Like I could go right now and party somewhere. This is just like a first impressions video. This video can also be like a beginner kit for you. So if you are like beginning to do makeup and learn makeup, you can buy these products because these are really affordable. So I got a bunch of stuff from Nykaa, all affordable makeup, because every day at home I used to make videos using high-end makeup, like high-end foundations and eyeshadow palettes, and that is just like putting on makeup for an hour or so for the video and then removing it. I had to go for something affordable because I am not actually going out with this makeup. I'm literally just filming a video and then removing it. I had to go for some affordable options, or else when the pandemic is over, when corona is gone, I will not have that foundation and eyeshadow palette for me to use and go out. So I wanted to save some money, actually like I spend some money to actually save some money. The video is going to be a bit long this time, but I want to tell you, please subscribe to my channel, please like the video, and all your feedbacks mean so much to me. Like some people actually go out of the way and message me that they like the video and everything. Let's not waste time and get to the video. This is the first thing that I got. This is a primer. Now I usually do not use eye primers, like eyeshadow primers. I use my regular primers only. This is for reducing redness. I think this much is enough. Yes, it does smell of something, and this is my first take on this primer, so I don't know how this will work for me. I have never tried primers from Maybelline, but I really like the packaging and the green color, so I got this one. This is very lightweight. For 650 rupees, I think there are better primers out there, and if you get this from Nykaa, of course you can get a discount on this one, but this is very watery. I think it will not trigger my acne. It sinked into my skin really well. So I'm really excited about this product because this is an eyeshadow palette. This is not exactly drugstore, but this is very affordable, I believe. It is this one, the Tan Beauty. This is all I need eyeshadow palette, and this is so beautiful. I really like it. The packaging is to die for, like the rose gold, everything is written in rose gold. The packaging is bomb. It is really nice, and wait for it, guys. This is how it looks. The colors are so pretty. I really love colors like blue and purple, and it's gold all in one. By the looks of this palette, it does not look like it does not look anything less than Huda Beauty to me, and no offense, but I love Huda Beauty, but it is very expensive. Like I cannot afford Huda Beauty all the time, so this is great. This one retails for 2,400 rupees. First, I think I'm going with this neutral color. It's called Nude. I'll go in with lowercase. I really like it. There is no fallout. This is amazing. And this is very weird because I expected there to be a little fallout. Now I'm going in with a really funny name, the eyeshadow color. It's called Pow Wow, and it looks so nice, brown and deep browns. I'm taking the color Coal. I don't know what just happened to the weather. My skin looks so nice. Actually, there was sunlight before, like when I was filming, and now it has become so light, and I think it's going to get gloomy soon. I don't know how the video is going to turn out. I did one of my eyes off camera, and it looks so stunning. The black and the glitter. I thought I'll go neutral with it, but then I decided to go bold with it. I'm going to do it off camera because then this video is going to turn up like, if I don't do it off camera, the video is going to turn up like an eyeshadow tutorial. So I'll do it off camera and be back. Now for glitter, I'm using this Wet n Wild glitter in silver color. It's called Spite. This glitter is for 135 rupees from Nykaa, and it requires no glue, and that is the best thing I love about it. Just look at that, it's so pretty. First I really like to do this. Oh, I love it. It's so reflective. This is so reflective. I love it. I love glitter. Anyway, I'm gonna use my fingers and drag it. And that's it. It looks so pretty. Now it's time for lashes. For lashes, I got 2 pairs of lashes. One is from Ardell and one is also from Ardell. These are baby wispies. These are long from the middle and short from the ends. Again, that really opens up my eyes. This one gradually increases in length. So I also like these, so I'll try both. For lash glue, I got the Miss Claire lash glue. This lash glue retails for 259 rupees. I'm using 116 Ardell lashes, which is longer at the end and shorter on the other end. I've applied a really thin layer and I let it dry for like 20 seconds. I also got this mascara from Nykaa. This one is for 510 rupees, but it is always on some discount. You can get it for 383 rupees, which is a steal deal. So let's try this mascara. I'm gonna face this side and then try it so you can see the actual length it gives me. So these are the lashes. These are with lashes and this is without lashes. So you can figure it out yourself because I can't see it yet. I'll have to see in the video. I'm gonna go in with these pair of lashes. I'm actually excited for this one because I really like the style of it. I don't really like the one that is longer on the end and shorter on the other. So I've put both my lashes now, and the glue is working actually pretty fine because the ends are really secure. I think the glue is working fine. You can see the difference for both the lashes now. I think I prefer these ones. I don't know why, because I love the style. These ones, the baby wispies, look much better. So I'm gonna switch this one with this one and be right back. Now that my eyes are done and they look so pretty, we can get on to the base. And I have already primed my skin in the starting of the video. I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline Super Stay 24-hour full coverage foundation. This is in the shade Buff Beige 130. This is how it looks. The quantity is bomb. It is a glass bottle. Travel safe with it. This one is for 750 rupees, but on Nykaa you get it on discount always. Like, it's always on discount, and it's for 563 rupees, which is a steal deal. 500 rupees of foundation is, yes, you got to buy it. I'm taking 2 pumps of it. This is 1 and this is 2. I think it should be enough, and half of the face I'm going to do with a beauty blender and half of it I'm going to do with a brush. So let's see how it goes. And I'm not sure if it is going to conceal these acne, pimple and everything, the marks. So let's go. This is my first try at this foundation. I'm gonna dot this product everywhere on my face. Oh, this is covering my pimples and marks really well. I did not imagine that to happen. And it is not really matte, it is luminous. like it is shining. It has a little bit of sheen to it, so this is not a matte foundation. It is actually covering up my dark circles as well. Now on to the other side. I'll use a foundation brush for this side. What I can see right now is that this side is like totally flawless and this side is lacking a little bit of coverage here, and I think I like the brush side more, but I usually use brushes and I don't use Beauty Blender to do my foundation that much. This side is a lot full coverage and this side is a lighter coverage, so I'm gonna do this side. I'm gonna fill this side up nicely and then show you how it looks. I really have no complaints with the coverage. It is actually medium to buildable, and it is covering up my acne and pimple marks, the redness. I have used no color correcting at all and it is luminous. I don't like my foundations to be damn matte because I like this glowy kind of effect on my skin. The next thing that I got is this blush by Maybelline Fit Me range. It is for 440 rupees. From Nykaa you can get it for 330 rupees, and I absolutely love the peachy color. So let's go try it. The number is 36. I'm not gonna take it right till here because I don't like to do that. The application is amazing. It doesn't look patchy. It is a really natural color, like peachy everyday kind of color, and if you build it up it can be like your day out blush as well, for nighttime, for daytime. I love it. It really looks well with the eyes as well. It's not too much. The next thing that I got is this Kiko Milani lipstick. The number is 424. I really don't think this will go with my skin tone. Let's see, because I think, I don't know, it looked better on the website. Yuck, it's so bad. I just want to remove it right away. I can't take this. It's so bad. It doesn't suit me at all. I thought this looked much better on Nykaa. Why? I'm gonna remove this. This is so cream sheen and one swipe literally does nothing to you. I had to swipe it like 8 times to get the color. So this is the final look. I really like it. The foundation and everything is looking amazing. So I hope you really like it and purchase it as well. I just filled in my brows, did some contour, and this is the final look. I can't wait to just go wear something blingy that matches it. I'm gonna link everything down in the description box. I'll just go wear something blingy and take some pictures and post them on Instagram. Bye. I wanted to say something, I forgot. Yeah, I remembered. High pigmented eyeshadow something.